Good evening, everyone. I also have one of my colleague with me. She will be jumping in little messages to give to everyone. So let's start with our company's presentation. Shivami. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Priyanka Khanna. I'm the joint CEO for Shivami. It's been a long journey with Shivami. I started as a sales coordinator. Today, looking over the joint CEO, taking care of sales and operations overall. So, first of all, I would like to talk about our purpose of the company. The purpose of Shivami is to bring positive change in the lives of people we connect by providing solutions and services which brings profit and happiness. There are very few companies in India who have a purpose to believe in and purpose to serve in. So, our company strongly believes in this, and we always make sure that we are spreading happiness, and we are also making sure that we as a company are growing. So, talking about Shivami, the recent feather in the cap is the our 2020 year award. That is the Cloud Expansion Partner of the Year. This is just one day old to us, which we have awarded as. Last year, we also won Cloud Diversity and Inclusion Partner of the Year. As I mentioned during my talk with this pretty lady, that we are full of women empowerment. In our company, it's 80% female staff, and we strongly believe that women can do anything in today's world. We have 10,000 plus clients for Google Cloud in India. We have overall 10 plus years experience, which are trained, and we provide dedicated 24 by 7 support. We already have a client centric approach. We have our portals, we have our support systems, we have our WhatsApp support, all the support needed for a client to give an end to end solution when it is related to implementation change management is taken care by Shivami. We have our branches in Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Surat, Hyderabad, and Chennai, and we are expanding. This year we will also be moving internationally very soon. So talking about by our name, everyone must be knowing that we are one of the premier partners of Google. And the product what I'm going to talk about today is everyone is using already in their day-to-day lives, whether they are using Google Workspace or not, but they're still using it because everyone in this world is using Gmail at least. So I'm very much sure that everyone knows that how this works, and I'm here just to know how it can help pharma industry, and many of our pharma clients are already using this and getting a benefit of out of it. So Google Workspace is more about how can you collaborate remotely. Last year when lockdown started, everyone was in a very tense situation that how will we work from home. Being an IT cloud company, even we were little scared that, oh, how, because we have a good big team, how are we going to work from home. But let me be very precise to you that when we started working, we never got down with anything, whether it may be our sales, whether it may be our support. We were up and running by the second day of the lockdown. We just needed one day planning to plan our things, and we were up and running. So, and I found out many of our analysis which we did with our customers, clients using Google Workspace did not face any challenges during the work from home scenario because they had a bundle solution together. So Google Workspace, as everyone knows about it, we will be talking more about it. I know many of the organization are using still the old methods. So talking about the scenario one, this is an old school method of working, uploading the files, sharing the files, and working together. For example, my colleague shares me a file, I download it, then see it, then again upload it to share it to somebody, then some changes made. This is the old way method of working. But with today's scenario, using Google Workspace, multiple people can work on the same file together. So, and in the work from home scenario, this has really made everyone's life easier. Coming to the scenario two, uh, uh, the scenario two is when you used to have some marketing campaigns about it. We used to run to each and everyone's desk, chalo, let's discuss a marketing plan. But with the chatbot and the Hangout chat, what Google has a feature about, we can discuss anything on the chat. We can have multiple people, multiple teams talking to each other and getting the thing sorted and in a smoother way. We have seen pharma companies using it in a multiple ways, and the ROI for pharma clients have increased on day basis. Last year during the lockdown scenario, I know it may be a relevant example or not, may be a relevant example. Bharat Serums moved out of entirely out of their Microsoft plans to Google for entire Salesforce of there. That was around 2,000 salespeople moving out to Google, and they're working efficiently. We made sure that the entire change management is taken care by us. Talking about scenario two, the third scenario, when you want to have some meetings, this was the old method to collect the data from different places. Using Google Workspace, you can use the artificial intelligence of Google and use multiple things through this. So we collect data in a smarter way than this. I know many of you are still using the old methods. We are here to help you. We can understand your requirements according to the solution and then give it across it. Whether you want to put your data on cloud, whether you want to have your teams working on the same file, everything is possible through Google Workspace. With me, I have Bhakti. She's my colleague, and she'll be talking more about how Google Workspace can help you work.
Hi, folks. Very good evening to all of you. We will talk about working remotely with Google Workspace. As Priyanka said, that we had a very difficult phase here last year when the lockdown came up, and we were all struggling to know how exactly few people will be working at home. When we talk about finance team, we talk about sales team, we talk about different kind of teams, and we were very worried on how we will save this data, how the data will get protected, how are we going to work collaboratively. Working on a Google Workspace made it much easier. When we talk about connectivity and connecting to our internal teams, Google Meet, Google Hangout, and Google Chat made it very easier for us to collaborate with each other without picking up the call multiple times in a day. When we created a particular document on a Word file or a PPT presentation, there was no needed to get together on a meet call. We actually made sure that on a single plan, on a single page, everybody's working, everybody's putting their comment on. It became so easier for us that PPT would might have taken an hour to make if we are sitting in front of each other, but it was made in within 15 to 20 minutes. So a lot of changes have done in the Google Workspace with the new workspace rolled out. We will take you out on the next journey on the next slide. So when we talk about making it faster, what exactly is changing? With this true real-time collaboration that's built for cloud, unlike other providers that have latency issues, teams can work together in real time. Quickly, we can reach quickly consensus and make smarter decisions. So in Google Workspace, there's only one version of a document which greatly reduces complexities and speeds up collaborations. And we infuse each other of our products with assistive technology that removes friction, so you can get things done very quickly.
One of the live examples which you can see in the system running is, earlier we used to think that how much time are we going to, people spend more of time in drafting the emails. Today with Google technology, it's become easier to draft emails. Google is giving us assistance in understanding, oh fine, you can write this, you can write that. Google is using its artificial intelligence and helping us, saving our time drafting the emails too now.
Let's talk about the human doing analysis. So, when we think about spreadsheets and the formulas, we are very worried if people are learning about formulas or not. There are very few people in the organizations who might know the formulas, right? So, what we hear, as you see in this live presentation ongoing, the only thing that you have to do is speak to the Google to apply a formula. If I talk about a pivot table or a VLOOKUP, you just need to speak to Google and the formula will be done in a very quick way. This is one of the easiest way to learn spreadsheets on your own, and you don't need any kind of experience or any kind of training on that part. So that is one of the best things about spreadsheets when you talk about the collaboration tools. And this is one of the easiest way where you can actually work on it.
Many of our pharma clients have got benefit out of it when they needed to understand their territory splits, their marketing budgets, their how to utilize the budget, which territories are growing from for them. This is a wonderful way to do the analysis form, and there's no manual intervention in it, so we are not seeing any manipulation in the sheets. We will see the real time data. Even the bosses of the organization, the CIOs, the CEOs can see. They do not need to ask reports. They have the data and they can get their own analysis by themselves only.
Make it together is what we believe in. We believe that the best ideas surface when everyone contributes. In Google Workspace, people create, contribute, and comment all together, and the end product is stronger because it includes more point of view. For example, in the Google Meet chat, it's easy to share content directly from Drive and get a real-time feedback from the teammates. You don't have to call them, you don't have to make a meeting schedule, you just have to just send the file across, and then they can immediately put their inputs on. So that becomes easier for us. So Hangout Chat and Hangout Meet is one of the easiest ways to collaborate and have a discussion on together.
This is the way our teams, the other clients of ours, have benefited out of it. As with the chats, it's possible to do multitasking. Sometimes you're talking to the client, and you have a query from a client itself. At the same time, you really don't know the answer of it, but chat helps you to understand. Maybe you need an invoice outstanding amount from your accounts team. This is just a way you can ping them and get the outstanding of, till the time you're saying hi hello to your clients, and the accounts team answers to your queries. There are groups which you can create in the chat bots. There are different things which you can do as on the chat box itself.
Meetings for more people is what we do. The new workspace that have come, and we have noticed that there are a lot of meeting Google Meet functionality which has increased with regards to noise cancellation, with regards to question answer polls. A lot of our companies have now started taking webinars for our clients, like the one we are doing currently, and this is one of the easiest way to communicate with the clients. The Google Hangout and the Google Meet also have now live streaming, where you can stream more than 1 lakh customers onboarded, and you can present your presentations with them. It's become easier for our edutech kind of companies also, where they take lectures online and they can do an online session with the students and the teachers as well.
So we have seen a benefit in the pharma company also, when it comes to meetings. Everyone since last year, they know what are virtual meetings. Before that, anyone did not knew how the virtual meetings happen. But now everyone prefers a virtual meeting, and you can remove Zoom. You can remove whatever X solution you're using for your video conferencing. This can be a cost saving solution, as it is a part of the Google Workspace plan.
I think this is the most important slide where we want to focus on, which is called as device management. I have personally heard and seen businesses and IT heads and managers focus on a lot of security on device management. With the current work from home situation, it is very important that if employees utilize their personal laptops or even office laptops for that matter in their personal network, also the official data remains safe. So one can involve firewall and IP policies on the device management. In Google Workspace enables device management to be enrolled into the organization and provides complete control on the company data. In the scenario of mobile device being lost, the corporate profile can be completely wiped remotely, so your data stays with you forever, and you don't have to worry about the security of your data.
A live example for this, I know in the pharma industry, the main everything is data, and your clients are the important factor for it. Your MR goes from your organization, and he takes away your clients, and the data is gone. But through this MDM, this can be secured, and today's security is a must and important for each and every industry. Looking at the scenario, as we said, we have seen the previous presentation also, everyone likes to work in a smart way. Everyone, half of the things are now done by mobile, so MDM is playing a very important key role when it comes to the pharma industry.
With regards to the MDM, I would also like to suggest one more thing. We have a lot of features, including in MDM policies, where you can control when you can control users taking screenshots. You can control and manage their the websites that they are visiting, the social media networking that they are visiting, and all this can be done from your own admin console. So you don't have to actually get that mobile from your in your hand, but you can do it remotely from your admin control itself.
In fact, we can help you design solutions for your organization. What policies can you get it implemented in the MDM for you as an organization? We have end-to-end examples where we have implemented MDM, and it has been a huge use case for them to implement it in their organization. So let us know what you want to do with your MDM. We can help you with whatever solution it is.
So when we talk about what Google Workspace means, what the customer is actually required, and that is the reason we have showcased this on the slide. If you see, when we talk about emailing, scheduling, and productivity tools, Google Workspace is being exchanged by Microsoft Exchange, Outlook, Lotus Notes, and GroupWise, and so on and so forth. When we talk about internal collaboration, online presentation, and trainings, we can replace Google Workspace from WebEx, GoToMeeting, Zoom, Skype, or audio conferencing numbers. When we talk about storage, we have Google Drive, which is the shared drive storage which we use for our customers. It can be replaced by Box, Dropbox, OneDrive, and SharePoint. A lot of surveys and digital forms can be replaced by InfoPath, SurveyMonkey, custom development, and many other such products that serves you as a digital forms. Securing data on the premises is being you if you're using a McAfee or a Proofpoint, this can be displayed by Google Workspace, and you can secure your data with the DLP solutions that we have in our Workspace solution.
So by looking at this slide, I really understand that you may be using 10 different products for your different solutions. You may be using for security, you may be using uh, McAfee, Barracuda. For surveys, you may be using SurveyMonkey, custom development. You'd use multiple things and you may be spending multiple. But understanding everything coming in one bundle together is what everyone needs today. You do not need to buy 10 different products for using security, for doing some analysis, some using productivity tools, and everything is under one roof for you. We have seen a great ROI when it comes to using a bundled product together. Last year, most of our clients were not using the Hangout Meets. Today, if we see our customers' adoption rate when it comes to the Hangout meetings, it has expanded by 500%. I can say everyone in the organization is using Meets for their meetings today. So these are the great examples which we can give it to you. Some of the few case studies I have mentioned here are Microlabs, Ciron Drugs, and MedLife. Microlabs, being an old-time school using Lotus Notes, moves it entire collaboration piece to Google since almost more than 3 years with us now, and are now using the higher versions of Google Workspace plan, which is helping the organization to grow their ROI, work more in a collaborative manner, and help each other to work for a company's goal. MedLife, being a startup and growing organization, they were born and they started with Google Workspace, and now it's a growing organization. They have used multiple products of Google Workspaces and got benefit out of it. I have also taken a small example of Ciron Drugs pharmaceutical company who is also using Google Workspace. Again, they were using Microsoft as a product. They moved from Microsoft to Google, which was a huge success. And we have migrated from all the solution, whether you may be using Rediff, whether you may be using Microsoft, whether you may be using any old time servers or anything. We have seen companies growing and using our services. We have made sure that all the migration and implementation is taken step by step, and the change management is taken care by Shivami. So if any kind of Google Cloud requirement, you can connect us. We can help you understand the needs of your organization. We can give you end-to-end solution when it comes to Google Cloud. Thank you for visiting us. You can also visit our website for more information. That is www.shivami.com.